Okay, go.
Okay. This is the submarine that is now a museum in the submarine pen in Saint-Nazaire, and it's here because of my father, who, thanks to him, asked the French Navy to bring a submarine to use as a buoy for a boat race in 1982. And since after the submarine was disarmed, the mayor of Saint-Nazaire asked my father to call the French minister for the war to see if he would give the city, the submarine Espadon, as a museum. And so my father was a little embarrassed, but he did so. He managed to see the minister for the war, who agreed to give the city of Saint-Nazaire this submarine for a symbolic franc, 1 franc at the time, just as a symbolic gesture. And since 1982, since I forgot the date, this submarine, instead of being cut up and thrown away, is used as a museum.
Thank you.